Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Hi, my name is Alexandria. Welcome again to a new makeup tutorial. I'm here to do a very quick, simple, I have a piece of hair right here. Quick, simple purple look, eyeshadow look. The only thing that you see here that's not purple is these little gold specks. So I wanted to show you the palettes that we're gonna be using today. If you have it, then that's wonderful. As always in the tutorial, you'll know exactly which shades I'm using and which palette that I'm using. So I'll put everything in the bottom of the screen like I have been doing. So one of the palettes is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. I did speak about that I wanted to do another look with it. Like I said, I bought it and I want to use as much as I can with these shadows that I could. So I did use all the purples in this shade in this palette. And so we also used the Colourpop's Frozen 2 with Anna, and I used the two purples in these shades. And I used another thing from her collection from Colourpop. So let me go get it because I have a mess in front of me. So I want to show you guys what I use. I use a little gold here to kind of like bring. All right, so here it is. It's the color Waterfall. It's this beautiful gold. I have used it before on my IGTV as a tutorial for it. It's so beautiful, and that's what I use for the inner corner. So as you can know, we use two palettes for I almost dropped it for the to create this look, and then we use this. So if you have these palettes, go ahead and grab it and let's work together on creating this look. If not, any purple shades that are similar to these shades would also work. So you don't color, I use the blush on this one right here. I have done a look with this one, but never on my Instagram. Just went out on a date with my husband. But yeah, real simple. It's a very simple look, super easy. Today I went a little heavier on the foundation and my concealer. I did bake today, and I overly did my highlighter just because I was just looking for something little different, and I guess to be a little bold today on the look. But I hope you guys loved the tutorial. I definitely had fun. If it looks a little hectic a little bit, because I'm at the same time I was trying to record a TikTok video at the same time, trying to get my with TikTok, so that was kind of hard to multitask doing more than one video at a time. So I'm hoping, crossing fingers, that the video looks amazing when I edit it and it doesn't look like a hot mess. And also too, it sucks because when I'm recording, I think I have everything downplayed and everything is near me, so I don't have to like stretch out. And I noticed I never have my mirror near me, so it's like I'm looking for a mirror. Yeah, so it's one of those today. But overall, I think I really like this look. I don't usually do purples like that. I am more of, when I usually like doing going out looks, I just do, to be honest with you, I love to just smack a wing eyeliner on and I call it a day. But just being at home in quarantine is just giving me more ideas to create more looks for you guys. So okay, all right, so I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you. So like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. The name will be here again. And also, if you want to follow me on TikTok, I will also provide my TikTok name on the bottom, so you can also follow me there. All right, so thank you so much again, and thank you for watching. All right guys, bye.